The Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to be the biggest leap in years for Samsung's flagship line. After 4 generations of mostly incremental changes, this Ultra finally brings serious upgrades in 3 key areas: an all-new 200MP King of Sensors camera, a refined S Pen experience, and powerful cross-platform file sharing that even works seamlessly with Apple devices. Let's start with the headline feature: the camera. Leaked details, including info from Tech Talk TV, revealed that Samsung has completely overhauled most of the S27 Ultra's camera system. The telephoto lens reportedly stays similar to the previous Ultra, but the primary Ultra and front cameras are all new. At the center is Samsung's HP6 sensor, a 200-megapixel main camera with a 1.3-inch sensor size. Yes, it's slightly smaller than some rival sensors, but Samsung is banking on smart engineering and image processing to match or beat the competition. That's where LOFIC, lateral overflow integration capacitor technology comes in. This advanced pixel design helps the sensor handle bright highlights and deep shadows far more gracefully in real-world use. That means less ghosting and fewer strange HDR artifacts, smoother transitions between light and dark areas, more natural-looking images with reduced overprocessing contrast scenes like sunsets. City lights and backlit portraits should look cleaner and more realistic, rather than blown out or fake. Combined with pixel binning from 200MP to larger effective pixels, low-light photos are expected to be brighter, sharper, and more detailed with less noise. On top of the new hardware, Samsung is also refining its computational photography on the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Over-sharpened look, more balanced HDR that still pops but keeps skin tones and skies natural. Better night shots with less aggressive noise reduction, preserving texture. These upgrades apply to video as well. With the HP6 sensor and LOFIC LOC, you can expect steadier exposure, fewer highlight blowouts, and cleaner footage in tricky lighting areas where many phones still struggle. In short, the Galaxy S27 Ultra's camera isn't just about a bigger megapixel number. It's about finally delivering more reliable, natural, and consistent results in everyday shooting. Now, let's talk about the feature that makes an Ultra an Ultra: the S Pen. The Galaxy S27 Ultra continues to use electromagnetic resonance (EMR) technology for the S Pen, the same system that's made Samsung's stylus one of the best in the industry. With EMR, you get extremely low input lag, high accuracy across the entire display, true pressure sensitivity for handwriting and drawing. Leaked info suggests Samsung deliberately avoided adding strong internal magnets for pen attachment inside the body of the phone. The reason is simple: magnets can interfere with EMR performance. Rather than chasing a new aesthetic or docking gimmick, Samsung is prioritizing reliability and precision for users. That means the S Pen on the Galaxy S27 Ultra should feel instantly familiar and rock solid, ideal if you take handwritten notes in meetings or classes, sketch, design, or storyboard on your phone, annotate PDF, sign documents, or navigate with fine control. Samsung isn't trying to reinvent the S Pen here. It's doubling down on making it as accurate, responsive, and dependable as possible. The other huge part of this leak isn't about hardware at all. It's about how the S27 Ultra fits into your overall digital life. With One UI 8.5, the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to introduce significantly improved cross-platform file sharing. Building on what Samsung started with the Galaxy S26, the standout change: effortless sharing between Samsung and Apple devices. That means you'll be able to move photos, videos, and documents between a Galaxy S27 Ultra and iPhones or Macs far more easily, without relying on clunky third-party apps, heavy compression, or awkward cloud (WORKAROUNDS). In practice, that looks like sending full-resolution 200MP photos to a friend's iPhone without losing quality, sharing 4K video to a MacBook for editing with minimal friction, working in mixed households or offices where Android and Apple devices coexist, without file sharing turning into a constant problem. This is a direct shot at one of Apple's biggest advantages: its locked-in ecosystem. By making cross-platform sharing smoother, Samsung is giving you more freedom to choose devices based on features, not just compatibility. Inside Samsung's own ecosystem, One UI 8.5 aims to tighten integration even further. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is built to work seamlessly with Galaxy tablets, Galaxy Book laptops, Galaxy Watch, and Galaxy Buds. Other Galaxy phones you can expect better continuity between screens, easier task handoff, and a more unified feel across all your Samsung devices. On top of that, Samsung is strengthening its SmartThings platform. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is designed to act as a control hub for your connected devices and smart home setup, letting you adjust lighting, climate, and appliances, monitor cameras, and sensors. Automate routines around your schedules. Instead of being just a high-end phone, the S27 Ultra becomes the command center for your entire ecosystem. Put it all together, and the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra looks like a genuine milestone for the Ultra line. A new 200M PHP-6 King of Sensors main camera with low-fic look for cleaner highlights, better HDR and stronger low-light performance, refined computational photography that focuses on natural detail, less ghosting, and more realistic. Dynamic range, a proven EMR-based S Pen that favors accuracy and reliability over risky design changes. One UI 8.5 with powerful cross-platform file sharing that finally plays nicely with Apple devices, deeper Galaxy ecosystem integration, and SmartThings control, turning the S27 Ultra into a central hub for your digital and smart home life after. For generations of mostly iterative upgrades, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to be the true reset point for Samsung's flagship strategy. It's not just chasing specs, it's targeting the real problems users face every day: inconsistent cameras, locked ecosystems, and scattered device experiences. If camera quality, S Pen productivity, and seamless sharing across platforms matter to you, the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra is absolutely a device to keep on your radar.